Simple recipe for chicken fry with step-by-step instructions. Ingredients: 500 g boneless chicken, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup corn flour, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, oil for deep frying. Instructions: clean the chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Pat dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, corn flour, ginger paste, garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and coat them with the flour mixture. Make sure each piece is coated evenly. Heat oil in a deep frying pan or wok. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces to the pan in small batches. Fry the chicken until golden brown and crispy on the outside. Remove the fried chicken from the pan and place it on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Repeat the frying process until all the chicken pieces are cooked. Serve the chicken fry hot with your favorite dipping sauce or alongside some rice or salad. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken fry.